Hey guys, KBazette here. Today we are going to launch an epic fireworks storm. So maybe if I have enough time later in this video, I will teach you how to build it. But let me tell you, it is so hard. Sometimes it's easy, like if you've done it a few times, which I have. But first of all, let's turn it to night so you can see them better. Alright, so there we go. Oh wait, no, I set it for the wrong time.
If they can hurt me.
You're not. Time set 18,000.
Hey guys, let's see if it can hurt me with fireworks.
Are you in survival?
Oh, I forgot.
And it's night.
Wait, don't do it.
No, dude, let's not test it yet. Let's not test it in this video. Should we? I'll let you guys vote. Like,
Yes,
if in our subscriber thing, if you subscribe and you say yes, then we'll do it in the next video. But if you say no, we're not gonna do it. But ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Didn't hurt me.
Boom!
Wow. I wish I could be in one of those.
It's like a rocket.
I guess you want Rary on top of me.
It's so cool!
How many times can we do this?
I don't know.
Wait, do it when I'm ready. Wait, I can't catch up with them. Wait, Kenny, don't. Oh, Kenny. Do it when I'm ready. Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready, yes.
Ready, set, go.
I'm on the ones that are shooting.
Pretty.
Pretty.
Let's see when this will run out. So let's check the dispensers.
Hit
Oh no, we have so much left.
levers so they just rapid fire.
No, levers don't make it rapid fire. Only this does.
We have very much. Wait, can I?
Now that is cool.
Can you do it again? The dispensers are gonna go down. Oh, Kenny, they're going down. Like. 58,
Now that is amazing.
57.
What? What just happened? It just launched without command.
Kenny, it loses one. Wait, Kenny.
Yes. What?
I'm gonna move it to the back.
I'll just try.
I'm moving them to the back.
So it's the same.
Spider, Kenny.
Whoa.
You attacked my monster. Bye bye.
Yeah. Wait, are you in survival?
Yes.
So do they hurt you? Well, guys, you want to hear a fun fact? Zombies and every monster, those monsters can't see carpet or trap doors.
I'm going to.
So if you put like string over like a chasm, like at the very top, and then you placed carpet on it, zombies wouldn't see it, and they'd just stand there like Dumbos.
Kenny.
I think that's it for this firework. It's like the craziest thing ever.
They're gonna stand there, but spiders and creepers can see it.
Sometimes, like maybe if you look up a video, you might find out how to make how to make fireworks of creepers and skeletons. I haven't exactly done one of those. I haven't actually seen one of those, and I just don't know anything about those. Let's just do one more, and we'll end it.
Hey guys.
And that kind of wraps up our videos. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like or subscribe and check out the rest of my YouTube channel at KBazat. What? Where was that explosion? Creeper? Did you go to Creepy's pit? No, you didn't.
Daddy, help me!
Okay. Backslash. Time set 0.
That's not helping!
Should. Bye, guys.
No.